Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Kapaa, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers has almost 3 decades of expertise in the industry. As a result, all of our agents are capable of delivering extraordinary results. We are fully committed to alleviating your concerns about the logistics involved, and we guarantee that all of your products will arrive in one condition. When relocating large distances to or from Kapaa, Hawaii, it's wise to hire an experienced moving company like 3 Movers. This is because when moving long distances, your property is more vulnerable to harm, and a competent moving company can protect you from such accidents. Even when local moves are usually around 100 miles, they aren't always straightforward to implement. Be sure that all of your items are relocated and delivered in one piece by hiring the services of reliable Kapaa moving companies like 3 Movers. The weight of your belongings and the number of boxes in which they are packed are also likely to have an impact on your transport expenses. Get rid of the junk, however, and you can save more. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Kappa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.